Hi, my name's Steve Trapp.
And I'm Dan Hobel.
And together we run Lyfe Health Bournemouth, the home of healthcare in Westbourne, Dorset.
We help individuals who want to better their everyday lives, whether recovering from injury or in pain, regaining movement and strength or optimising sporting performance. We deliver physical therapy in every way possible so that everybody can live their best. Our approach is to combine powerful data-driven diagnostics with hands-on clinical expertise. We look at the whole picture, championing proactive, preventative and fully personalised healthcare. Everything you need is under one roof, from advanced diagnostics, including MRI scanning, to award-winning physiotherapy and fitness and wellbeing services such as personal training, massage and reformer Pilates classes. Our team of physiotherapists are vastly experienced with years of practice in professional sport, NHS and private clinics, and can provide advanced treatments including joint injections, shockwave and IDD therapy. We believe that the right diagnosis leads to the right healthcare, delivering the right results. So we offer a full suite of cutting-edge diagnostic technology to bring you closer to your recovery and performance goals. This includes MRI, 3D movement analysis, functional strength testing, and Footscan. Footscan is the industry's leading gait analysis system, used by Team GB athletes and many Premier League football clubs. Whether it's your foot strike or body weight distribution, gait abnormalities throw the whole body off balance, impacting posture and biomechanics, leading to various problems from our knees and hips all the way up to our backs and necks. With over 8,000 high-speed sensors, Footscan enables us to objectively measure the dynamic forces through your feet as you stand, balance, walk and run, providing us with an accurate understanding of your biomechanics. We use this detailed information to assist with our diagnosis and to optimise your movement to reduce the risk of injury. The system is a key part of our physiotherapy assessment process, allowing us to monitor things like leg stability and force distribution during squats, jumps, press-ups and more. Footscan also allows us to design Phits 3D printed orthotics. They are the orthotic of choice for multiple British and world champion athletes, from marathon runners to triathletes to England cricketers and even world darts champions. Phits can be designed for use in specific sports as well as day-to-day living. We've successfully helped over 2,500 clients with Phits orthotics. They're extremely comfortable, durable and lightweight and are made from 100% recycled materials. If you experience pain whilst running or walking, on the bike or playing sports, a Footscan at Lyfe Health is the route to getting out of pain and performing at your very best. For more information or to book, please visit www.lifehealth.co.uk or call us on 01202 119 221.